Hey guys, this is Paul from Smart Easy DIY. Welcome to episode 9 of building my pole barn house. Well, today we are pouring the concrete floor. As you can see, got a bunch of guys here and they're busy. They're pouring the floor. In my experience with pouring concrete, they are cheating a little bit by having a pump, but hey, that's just me. Anyways, it makes the job go a lot faster and easier. They're moving right along here, doing kind of a section at a time, doing a good job screeding and stuff. I wanted it pretty nice and flat since I'm going to be doing laminate flooring and all that, and just to make everything nice and easy to work with. But anyways, so if you've never seen a concrete pour, everybody's got a job to do between the raking and screeding and hanging on to that pump there if they are pumping. Anyways, they got this pretty cool little truck here, just a 1-ton truck, and they just empty the concrete right in there, and then it pumps it right out. I'm here kind of watching things with my buddy, and he's loving the concrete trucks. You know, a 2-year-old, gotta love the concrete trucks. Anyways, just kind of wanted to let the video do the talking here, mostly. It's a good idea when you're there monitoring things to make sure that nothing's gonna damage your radiant heat there, your PEX tubing. So I was there just to keep an eye on things. Like I said, I had put 75 pounds in before the pour, but then I dropped it down to 50 for the pour. Just so that should be plenty because the system only runs about 25, but just to give you an idea of what I did. And then they're just using these power trowels on it once it's set up enough, walking in flip-flops so it doesn't mar it up too much. So yeah, usually you have to hit it once and then let it set a little bit and then hit it again and just keep doing that. It actually took quite a while for it to set up since it was under shade, but. So here is the pour once it's all done. Just wanted to kind of do a little bit of a walkthrough. It turned out really nice and flat, really nice and smooth. I had a guy come in and just do it with his crew by the square foot. It saved me a lot of work by doing it that way. It was a pretty big undertaking, 36 by 64. So it's a pretty big pour and I didn't really want to do it by myself. So done enough of that. Anyways, yeah, you can see my son's been riding along here. And I've already started doing a little framing here. Just kind of trying to figure out window size. That's why I don't have it framed all the way. Kind of trying to determine the height and all that. But anyways, yeah, you can see I've already been getting lumber out and getting my floor filled up. But just wanted to show you that it all turned out really good. Like I told you before in a previous video, I did a 4,000 PSI mix with fiberglass mesh in it. So it made it for a really nice strong floor. So, all right guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep on the lookout for the next one coming out. In the meantime, check out my Instagram at SmartEasyDIY. I have it linked down in the video description, but I'm usually the most active on my Instagram, so go check me out there. You can follow me on Twitter as well. So, all right guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.